Is your iPhone screen dimming while watching videos or scrolling? Take control by first disabling auto brightness. Go to the settings on your iPhone. Then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on the display and text size. Here, scroll down and toggle off auto brightness. You can adjust the brightness manually depending on your environment. On iPhone X and later, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. On older models, swipe up from the bottom edge. Adjust the brightness by sliding the brightness bar up or down. If your screen still dims, another possible culprit is the attention aware features. Open settings and tap on the accessibility. Scroll down and select Face ID and attention. Toggle off attention aware features and confirm with your passcode. Features like True Tone and Night Shift can also affect your screen brightness. Open the control center. Now press and hold the brightness bar. Turn off Night Shift and True Tone by tapping their icons until they turn gray. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.